olyan videó, ilyen, hogy most csinálom a harmadik részet. La la la, bu bu bu, da da da. Linganguri, guri, guri, vácsá, lingangu. Leestem. Az nem baj. Ne is. Föl tudok menni. Gyerünk.
Oh, this house is empty. I feel like that is a complete lie.
No.
Check that out later.
Nem ennyire tőlem te.
There's definitely gotta be a
Alá is esti végre. Nem tudsz elelőzni. Gyerünk. Nem baj, hogy lelocsap valaki. Jó. Jó, nem es le. Nem esül le. És jó. Jó, végre. Most jó. Ó, pont majdnem estem le. Boss baby. Mindig itt esek le. Most mi szaggat? Most. Jó. Nem szaggat.
Let's do number 3. I definitely see that guy. What are you doing here, Jerma? It was such a sad day when Jerma retired. I actually...
Ó, mindig ide esek le, ahol van ez a hülye kék és egy pacsita. Húcsi, csúcsi, csú.
Nothing suspicious here. What are you doing here? What is this avatar, bro? Check upstairs. There's gotta be something up here. What is this thing? Call it a duty? Xbox 360. Well, we got all the houses. Oh my goodness. Calm down.
Nem csapsz le. Nem baj, hogy lecsapsz, de nem félek.
We have 12.
Jó, majdnem hozom. Érti. De megijedtem tőled. Itt estem le. De miért csapsz le? Ó, nem baj. És miért lép ki? Mindig ez a szaggatás tud. Mindig a szaggatás. Most is szaggatott. Bla 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 bla. Vela amici, senza sama. Io sì. De miért szaggat? Nem te bácsi, nem is érték hozzám végre. Az a szép fiú meg tudta csinálni. Jaj, szép amúgy. Ez a bácsi a hibás, aki majdnem lecsapott engemet. De utálom ezt a játékot.
It's up there. That's insane. I saw something on the side right here. Let me jump right down here. What does it say? I actually can't read. I think it says 4 So we need to find 3 something else. Oh my gosh, I just fell down. Okay.
Most végig leestem. Hát ennek a játéknak mi a baja van?
I can't do it again. Calm down. Oh my gosh.
Bla 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 bla. Lingangu, guri, vácsál. Lingangu, guri.
39. Okay, so I have the code. I'll put down the pen and paper for now.
Jó.
Okay, the code. It should be 809.
Gyerünk, most nézzük meg a másikat.
Dang, we did it! Ooh, Drippington? Honey sheep. Intense. That one was pretty intense. I mean, it's not that bad. This thing. We're back to the overworld. Okay, yeah, I was distracted on the zip line.
Most föl kell mennem. Gyorsan menjünk föl. Csináljuk meg sok végig. De ezt a szaggatós részét. Ezt a kicsi ugrálósokat. Téged láttalak, te csaptál le. Már 6-szor.
Okay, like these are just easy sheep. 100K and 1
Ó,
Oh my
az
God,
igen.
beautiful, what a crazy number. I don't know
Mindjárt
if there's anything
ugráltam.
else left in this island. Oh, what? Oh my gosh, okay.
Nyé,
I was
nyé.
not expecting that. I just was not expecting it to run across the
Ki
map.
ez a
Zone
lá?
6. Construction worker sheep. Builder
Úristen,
sheep, thank you for
ki
building
ez a
houses.
lá?
Alright,
Áj,
thank
ki
you.
ez a
There's
lá?
not really much to
Áj.
see here. Let's check out house number 7. I
Sama,
always
bla
get
bla bla,
super
bla bla bla,
suspicious
bla
when
bla
houses
bla.
are designed like
Her
this.
bla
There's
bla bla
something
bla bla.
here. There's no
Linga
actual way
guri
that there's
guri
nothing in this
guri,
house, right?
what's a
Just
lingangu?
house. Oh, I don't like that. I mean, we might end up going back to this place. Who knows? Let's see sheep all up in the treehouse. Let's check out the treehouse. Also, is this statue gonna be a sheep? Let's see here. I bet it is.
Uruyi
Statue. She's probably called
zawalaka,
it.
tenu simila.
What's up, dude? We found brown
Egy,
sheep. Wait,
kettő,
brown sheep's
három,
map.
négy.
Oh, okay. And wait, hold up. There's an X marks
Itt
the
van ez a
spot here.
buta
So we
rész.
spawned
Látom,
in the
ők,
desert
az van.
in between the
Az.
6 cacti, or whatever they are. I assume
De
they're
majd még
cactus or
egyszer
something.
itt megyek föl ezen a
I will
lépcsőn.
remember that.
Ezen
Can I
a
get this
nem
off
látós
my,
lépcsőn.
screen? Thank you. Is this wait, what? What sheep? I'm shocked you found that. I'll be honest. How do I get up to the top of that? Don't see a tree
Yo.
down here, so maybe that's it. Oh, okay, that goes all the way up there. Let's grab this
Kettő,
guy.
három, négy, öt.
I want to get this this desert.
Véla
Let's do the
mit
desert
csinálsz,
thing before I
Sama?
forgot.
Ha,
Already getting distracted. We can do this simple obby. These are so easy.
Nem.
These are so easy.
Leírom, hogy yes.
Oh gosh, okay, hold on.
Nem mondja, hogy nekem no, hanem ezt mondom neki, hogy yes.
One thing at a time. One thing at a time, guys. Let's get this brown sheep's map thing done before I forget. This is just a no-brainer. What's this? Hey, dude, if you dig here, you will get treasure sheep. Trust me, I'm not trolling.
Szia!
You're definitely trolling. 'Cause
No,
treasure
you
sheep
shit,
should
no,
be
to shit.
here.
Nem, hagyjál most
Right below
békén.
this cat. Wait, there's the cat.
Csapjad le őt, ügyes vagy. Te meg ne néni.
It's like right here. I don't know. Whatever. We'll follow it.
Na, ez a karakter néni.
Perhaps I need some sort of shovel. Maybe that's what we need. Wait, what the?
Félek.
What? This pink sheep keeps following me. I thought I just uncovered what I was supposed to do with the treasure sheep.
De
Interesting. Also, this
nem
cactus
csapsz le
has a
senki.
little bow on it. Well, it's a
Figyelj.
flower, but it's the only one with a flower.
Nézd meg, hogy.
Okay, next place we should go to. Ooh, this is tough. Ooh, wait, let's just check the. Wait, the shovel. Wait, we got this. We got this. It's gotta be right here. It's gotta be right. There it is. Keep digging. Keep digging.
Látom őket.
Find good search.
Na,
Here
ne
it is. Oh my
csinálják.
gosh, he's aura. He's got crazy aura. Intense. Glad we got that out of the way. Okay, now let's check out what's in the pyramid. Oh my gosh, the
Bla
pharaoh.
bla bla, bla bla
This
bla.
pharaoh sheep, and I mean, like, I'm shocked that that person did not see this random.
Ő egy szépebb ember, ez a fekete.
No, what is
Ő
that?
szép.
I don't get it. What is that thing? Maybe we get like some sort of hammer later on. We can find. All right. Do we want to go to Cloud Island
Chicas,
just now?
taxi.
Actually, wait, we can use this to jump on top of this house, and I still missed.
Ügyes vagy. Csináljuk.
So bad. So we could jump from this cloud to this one, and then from this cloud to the house, and we tightrope over. Excuse me, dude. Oh my gosh. No, not one of these.
Huh.
Again. I'm so bad at these. Please, thank you. Red sheep. Okay. Let
Ó,
us
te.
cross this little bridge.
Nem lesz, az nem fog működni. Őt is láttam YouTube-on,
I
amit
want to make
ki...
sure that that was actually a sheep right there. Welcome to Sheep Town, the best town in the town. Wait, make sense.
Akkor gyere ide.
I'll take a little bit. So is that a sheep out there? He's surfing? Who's coming straight for me? Oh my gosh, he's got crazy moves.
Lőd le, lőd le, lőd le. Te fekete. Lőd le, lőd le.
Very nice. One's in the lifeguard spot. Oh wait, this one is over here. Top hat sheep.
Na, ezt mondja, hogy bro, no.
Gets a nice raise.
Így kell mondani, hogy hell no.
And then there's this guy right here.
Nem így, hogy bro, no. Hanem hell no.
Push this in the water though? I don't think we really can. So
What
grab this fish and-
Szia, bye bye.
What you catching? What you catching? Oh wow! Good job, man. Fisherman's. It's in the water.
Hi.
Oh no.
Plü,
There's
plü,
a whole
patapim.
underground world.
Patapipi, patapipi,
Oh my
patapipi.
gosh.
Hogy tudsz? Hogy tudsz?
He's
Te
too
tesz
cool.
vesz?
I wish I had 1/4 of that dude's aura.
Hagyjam, nem, hagyjál,
Across his
hagyjál.
path.
Nem jössz utánom.
I just stand here and wait for him.
Vélelmény sheep.
No! Alright, he comes back around. Don't worry. There we go, surfer sheep. And he's slowed down.
Le fogsz esni.
Check this pirate ship. I already see the captain. Pirate ship. Someone else. Oh wait, hold up. I would have missed this.
Le fogsz esni.
Is there a flag sheep? Oh my gosh, there actually is. That would have definitely sent me over the edge if I never found that. Alright, I'm just gonna for a little bit here.
Will Pops. Nem csapsz le.
Guys, I think
Okay.
I'm losing my blindness. Like I'm catching.
Nem, te. Hogy bubu vagy. Száhúr. De nem tudsz viccelni. Yes.
A csípős a csúcs, ne csak álmodj róla.
Ó, te nem csapsz le. Nem csapsz.
Ápoláshoz minden nap laktacidot használok. A laktacid segít megóvni az intim területek természetes pH egyensúlyát, szemben a hagyományos dúsfüggőkkel, amelyek felboríthatják azt. Laktacid, társ a mindennapi intim higiéniában.
Ez nem csak egy nyúlás. Ez a klubkaláncol.
Nem, néni.
Stílus, kényelem és balatoni élményeket. Pároknak, családoknak, baráti társaságoknak. Tervez most.
Haha.
Things in this game, which is just unlike me. I'd usually pass
Látlak.
50,000 objects by
Látlak.
now. Let's go to this little museum. What is this guy doing here? He's pretty obvious.
Na, le fogsz esni.
What's up?
Nem, vélelmény csinálta
Red
száma.
banana. Museum stand, museum stand, museum stand, museum stand, museum stand.
Hogy?
Wait, that's weird. Skibidi Toiler. The entire B-movie script. I actually believe that there's actual words on there. Helium in a jar, a sheep.
Hogy hőfolt mászni. Ilyen videót láttam, hogy a falon lehet mászni, vagy mi.
Wait, hold up. I'm
Hát
onto
hogy.
something. There's
Akkor
like a
ott.
power
Szahur.
line.
Szia, bye
I
bye.
know this leads to something. Oh, we keep going.
Nem a... Ez a kék. Hogy tudod ilyen nagyot csapni? Hát mi a baja van? Őt utálom. Na. Ó, pont ez a néni le akar csapni.
How many sheep are we at? 13.
Loser.
Wow. Okay, we're making good progress. Oh, you think you're slick, huh? Salman sheep. There's got to be some more here, but it's fine. Is there a sheep index? There is. Do they give me hints? Oh, it does give
Vélelmény
hints. I don't
csinálta
like this.
száma.
Wait, caveman cave?
Gyerünk.
Weird crystal. Let us now. I guess
Félrenyeltem.
the woods. We haven't really gone through any of the wooded parts.
Gyerünk.
I see this little guy right here. Rock sheep. It is. I'm kind of shocked I saw that. And then what is this?
Na, gyerünk.
Oh no, it's the marshmallow. I will stop.
Na, nem tudsz legyőzni te.
Whoops, this tree is
Hülye,
actually
kék
floating,
ruhás.
but I won't fix it 'cause I'm lazy.
Vélelmény.
Go away. What? Oh, I don't want to go down here. What is this? Ooh, there is no sheep behind this wall.
Mi az, hogy
Why
20%
do I
lesz?
feel like you're lying? Why do I feel like you're lying? Told you? Nah, he's got it lying again. Dude, there's straight up a sheep right there. There is a sheep. Wait, lantern? Where is it? Oh, lol, I lied, actually. What if there's one behind this wall, too? Okay, no, he wouldn't do that. There's
Oh,
no way. How do I get out of here? How did I get in here? Oh, there we go. Got a little 2-for-1 deal there. I was not
Ó,
expecting that.
ez már jó. Egy,
Sprints.
kettő,
I mean, that helps a
három,
little bit.
négy.
I feel like being a little bit slower
Akkor most
does
én
help
leszek
me
a csaló.
to catch more things. Oh my gosh, the graveyard. Rest in peace, mega sheep.
Akkor,
Okay,
ez van.
just say, what if we could do?
Vatok!
Right?
Légy ne csapjál le, te békén lány. Légy nem a...
The great. Wow.
Pedig majdnem a végén leszek ezen a váron.
Listen.
Nem! Ú, te! Nem á! Te mi csapsz le? Tiszta dilinyósak. Ez most az a fekete ruhás, az végig lecsapott a leig. Mindjárt bemegyek ebbe a második részébe, és ha egyet kiszarom. Én nem szeretem a egyedik részét. Hát biztos. Mert lecsap mindenki. Egyedik része beviccel nekem mindenki. Hát miért csinálják ezt? Yes!
At least
megint
it
itt
resets
leszek.
you. That's kind of nice. Doesn't make you go all the way back up. Wait patiently. Go. Okay,
Ja, gyerünk.
follow this
Ez már jó.
small little cloud
2,
right here.
3,
Far
4,
jump.
5, 6, 7, 8,
Up
9.
this way. Oh, they messed up. You have to restart everything. Gosh, okay. Jump. Angel sheep hard. Oh man, I see a rainbow sheep.
Ezt nem te csaptál le? Ezt nem te vagy?
Just resets you. Where to next? Maybe pressing this rainbow button would be wise. Press. Oh, it's like a two-parter, huh? Gotcha. Is there any other buttons we have to do? Oh, wait, it's a path. I'm stupid. I just missed it.
Nem.
Press it.
No.
Go. Okay, we just have to follow
Oké.
this. It's invisible.
Leírom,
so
hogy
I can't-
oké, és
I think
azt
I
hiszik,
can
hogy
leave
megyek.
behind, but I don't wanna test it out.
Leírom, hogy oké.
Down and over. Oh gosh. What do I feel like this is gonna end? Go! Faster. Go. Jump. Where to now? Down.
Nem te.
Hoo. Far too long. Please grab. Rainbow Dash sheep.
Oké.
I feel like there's some obscure, like,
Ugh.
really loud sheep.
Oh, ma.
Just not see.
Ó, de
We'll come
mi
back for it,
szaggat?
though, I bet there's one.
Nem tudom, mi szaggat ez a játék, és le is estem. Ilyen szaggatástól. Te, nem néni, nem, te csaptál le, vagy nem? Ez nem te voltál? Ha.
Cloud sheep. All right, very nice. Let's see here.
Mm.
This waterfall just looks sus.
Itt lesz ma. Bro,
There it is.
bro,
Is that it?
bro.
I think so.
bro, bro.
Onto this biome. I haven't been up here yet. Grab the obvious sheep here. What is this? There's a cave. Oh, there's like a little obby thing here. How do I get up there?
Nice.
I will come back for that guy. What are we at? 50.
Nice.
Halfway. Pink sheep. You already have this sheep. Dude, I'm losing my mind. He just follows you around, I swear. Jump from tree to tree.
Nem azt a... Ezt a játékot.
We got this.
Nem szeretem ezt a játékot, hát biztos.
Thanos, I wish I
Hát
knew,
hogy
brother.
szeressem, amikor még mindig leesek ebbe. Ha, azt szeretem, amit szeretek.
Oh my god. I will get this. Also, another waterfall is happening.
Ó, most gyorsan átugortam.
Something, guys. Usually it is something, but it's not. Here we go, we did it. Oh my gosh, that was actually really
Végre,
tough, but I also
megint
noticed
itt vagyok.
this.
Szia,
Ooh,
néni.
what's this? Bronze sheep. Alright. Sheep hanging off the edge. Wait, what is this? I just saw something crazy. What is this? Sheep here. Land right here. The underworld. Upside down sheep. There's also, I see something sticking out of the map way down there. Oh boy. Okay. Look at this cave now. This is really spooky. This is the cave I saw earlier. Do I go down the dark tunnel?
Ja.
I see two sets of eyes.
Itt van valaki, azt itt volt, itt csapott le, ahol meghaltam. Itt volt valaki. Ja, most nincs itt. Jó, gyerünk tovább. Hú, ez nagyon nagy. Ez a vár. Hát hogy csináljam ezt végig? Amikor... Ugyanaz hajad van, mint nekem. Á, csak eltűnt. Oh, shit.
This guy's making me second guess myself. Let's grab this guy.
Oh.
Olive sheep? What are you doing in the cave, bro? Oh gosh, it's a maze. It's a maze. No! This is not my expertise.
Ó, azt hittem ez egy lépcső. Ja, így kö...
Mining sheep.
Nem tudom, hogy kell itt ugrálni. Föl kell mászni valahogy.
Oh, that's a different entrance. Good to know. Let's go back down. There's a second floor.
Jó.
Sapphire sheep, why? You're a gem, bro. You're a gem. Remember that. You're
Bro,
rare.
bra, bro.
That's everything. So let's head back to this level of the cave.
1, 2, 3,
We need a
4.
lighter. Okay, well, let's try to find this lighter, I suppose. Wait, here's the button. We click.
Ja, itt van.
Well, that was definitely the, TNT that was said earlier. But what's down here? There's gotta be some creepy thing down here. No, there's no way there's not.
Ide biztos nem ugrálok. Na.
But there
Na, az
was
majd
one here.
lépcső.
How do I get this guy? We'll come back for him. That guy.
Eladod a fát.
You.
Eladod a
Head back.
fát.
Yeah, we're here. This is where we want. So Now we can check out
4,
the explosion.
5, 6, 7. Ez nagyon nehéz volt. Vagy nem.
We're on a countdown.
TNT.
We have to complete this.
Ne!
Jump down.
Oh my god, this.
We're actually killing this. This is actually pretty fun. As we
Oh.
start again. Go, 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 go. Come on. Yes! Dynamite ship. Maybe if I drop down
Jó
from
van,
the
kilépek, nem érdekel. És most belépek a
See
másodikba.
this guy. There's the pink sheep again. He's mourning the loss of his friend. Oh. Is it right here? Is there something I can drop down on here?
Jó,
How did you get
gyerünk.
that? I won't forget about it.
Na,
but
gyerünk.
That's good to know. Okay, let's go back to spawn. There was a rocket ship. Ooh, what the-
1, 2,
Tiny ship.
3,
How did I
4,
see that? Anyways, there was a
5,
rocket ship
7,
over here.
8,
Oh
9,
my gosh, no way.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Nem tudok gyorsan számolni. Csak ezt mondom, hogy egy, végtelen. Hát a második részén nem fogok lesni sose. Tényleg most csináljuk a harmadik részét ennek a film. Azt hogy tudod lebegni ez a néni? Hova kell menni? Most biztos ez. Most ebbe akkor. Jó, kész. Ó, majdnem leestem. Áj. Oké. Ó. Oké. Mi a... Bla bla bla. No, no, the bacon, no. Utálom a baconeket. Gyorsan ide tudok menni. Gyorsan ide megyek. Baconhöz. Mi? Ó. Majd belépek a izébe. A izé Tower X-be. Majd.
Teleporting to outer space? What? Oh my goodness gracious. Well, we are in a whole different biome. Well, not really biome, more of a environment. Is this the jump to get out of the orb? Okay. Wow, this is insane. Look at that. That was us down there. Okay, we're out of the orb. Dude, that go. Oh gosh, that rock disappears.
De hogy tudjátok, hogy a másik felekről? Ó, Bacon. Ne! Ó, te csaptál le a másik játékba is, csak belépni a második részébe te is. Nem! Ne! The shit tubers! No, ne! Azt nem akarom. Nem akarok leesni. Please, ne essél le. 1, 2, 3. 10. Yes! Ez már nem sok. Most a második részét biztos meggyőzöm, de nem. Akkor megverem az összes embert a játékban. És veszek Robuxé egy repülőt, és majd megverem az összeset, amit akarok. Ha! Ja. Összes Roblox ember pinyóta lesz. Aha. Psz. Jó, itt leesett egy néni most. Azt tudom, itt leesek.
Astronaut sheep. Wow, bro, really placed the flag down, huh? I mean, the obvious is we do this might take a hot year and a half, but it's fine. It's okay.
Mindjárt végigérem.
Gosh, we have to be fast here because these things disappear. Oh my gosh.
Ne. Jó.
Oh, what? You know what's scaring me is the other guy in the lobby has 96 sheep. That's how you know there's some crazy sheep in this area.
De még ugrálni a izébe.
I think this is a respawn point, which is nice. Wait,
Bla 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 bla, blu blu blu. Jó!
timing just perfectly. Jump, and then jump, jump. Oh gosh. This is going to cook me. Yep, I knew it. I knew
Pops.
it. At least we got a respawn. Hit this
Oh.
jump. Now we know we kind of have to hit this
Pedig
side.
majdnem a végén voltam, nem a...
We can do this. We can do this.
Ne, Lóte bácsi, le fogsz lökni ebből a várból. Amikor lelöksz,
Oh my gosh, that's
most
so
tényleg
scary.
végig akarom csinálni. Akkor ezt meggyőzöm, akkor bemegyek a harmadik részébe. Most léci, ez a bácsi, ne lökjön le. Léci.
Just really made that. What?
Ó, ezt nem fogja megvenni.
There's actually no shot. How do you do this? Maybe this guy has a tip or
Who
trick.
the
We can watch
fuck?
this, dude. What is he
Mira
doing?
do the
Oh,
fuck?
cool guy. Let's see it. Oh my gosh. I gotta plan this.
Itt
is gonna be a
estem le.
nightmare regardless. No matter what way you spin this is gonna be a nightmare. Okay, I got an idea what we
Ó, az hárommal.
Jump.
Ez
grab.
kicsi. Itt meg csak átugrunk ki,
Do we
de
have this
könnyű.
as a respawn? Let me go to
Oh.
spawn. Oh, it didn't.
Oh, shoot.
Okay. We'll tackle that one later.
Yeah.
Back to the overworld and
Nah.
some of these other sheep.
Ne.
We're gonna get it though. We
Oh.
will get it, guys. Don't worry. Oh, that stinks. I lose all my items. Okay, that's kind of unfortunate.
Tudok venni.
It's okay. It's all right. We'll survive. Where have I missed? What should I start looking at this? Let's start looking at this. Sure,
No.
this will help a little bit.
De kötő. Skoci.
Wait, no way. Okay. Yeah, I just start looking at this and
Megint ezt kell átcsinálnom a nehézet. Amikor nehézbe is át fogok esni, akkor ezt a játékot megverem. Egy, kettő, három.
Please, guys, please. Yes, come here. Come here, we can do this. Jump on my head. Stay here with patience, I don't know. We'll have to wait to get help for that one. What happens if we die by cactus? Is there like an afterlife sheep? No. Okay. Ooh, what I forgot was all the way on top of this.
Blah blah blah, blue blue blue, blah blah. No!
Grab him very easily. Wait a second. 2D sheep. It was in the index the whole time.
Oh.
Control sheep, not in the desert area. I think it's actually right there.
Ooh.
Yep, right here. Yes, it is. Oh my gosh. Maybe this is a patrol sheep, but this is definitely something
Jó,
else.
mester vagyok, nem félek semmitől.
Okay, this is so far an easy.
Apaci, apaci, apaci.
I say that and I die. Oh, we did it. We finished it. Quicksand sheep.
Yes.
Why? Never check the top of the pyramid.
Itt nincs senki végre, fönn nincs senki.
I am just super
Pedig
sus
mindig
about
leesek a
cactus with
hülye
this. It's the
lépcsőknél.
only cactus with a flower on it. Why? Why? Oh, well. Looks like we got someone trying to get up here. We just need
Some.
3 people. Bro, come over here. No, come back. 72 sheep.
Nagyon nehéz ez a
I
pálya.
feel like I'm missing so many.
Itt estem le! A rózsaszínba. Yes! Rózsaszín! Rózsaszín a vége.
I guess we're supposed to go this way. Wait, this is horrible, dude. This is terrible.
Yes.
I think I have to make this jump. Oh my gosh, I need to keep
Na
jumping.
na 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 na.
I got this in the bag, guys. Don't you worry.
Egy,
I got
kettő,
this. Don't worry.
három,
Everyone's
négy.
going a different way, which is weird.
Pops, pops.
Jump in, then where do I go? Oh gosh.
Bla bla bla, blu blu blu.
Oh, I messed up.
Ne!
I can feel this is the one.
De ez még jégből volt. Ez még jégből volt.
We got it! Troll sheep! I want to equip that bad boy. Where you at? Troll sheep with your so-called...
Ez még jégből volt, ez a ugrálós.
Look at him,
Nem
he's
a-
so beautiful. What's next on the agenda? A missile ship. I don't know where this is.
Harmadik rész már
Missile
biztos meg
I
fog
guess there's
győzni.
a whole
Én
different
nem
area
értem
at
ezt.
the beach I didn't even find yet, so hold up. So you go this way, and it's in this like group of kelpies right here. Slowly go down and pull the lantern out.
Nekem biztos engedik.
Squeeze your way down here. Hopefully I don't drown. Oh gosh, this is terrifying. Let's grab this guy. What's up, dude? There's gotta be something more down here. A button. Okay. I don't know what that just did. You found one? Oh gosh.
No.
Do we have to find all the buttons in here? We do. Guess we'll do this for now.
No.
I see 3 buttons here. Oh wait, no, those are the buttons already found. That's just his eyes. Jeez, that's terrifying.
Eh, eh,
Door.
eh,
What is
eh.
this? I assume once I hit all 10 buttons, that door unlocks. It'll be handy again.
Ebbe, meg léci, legyenek szép részek.
I am beyond lost right now, guys.
Léci, ne legyenek
What is
piros
here?
izék.
Something super
Piros,
I can't get to it, though.
piros izék.
I hate these water areas so much,
Bup,
but we gotta
bup,
do it, guys.
bup.
Is that a button?
Bla bla bla, blu blu blu, blu blu blu.
This
Blu
is
blu
the
blu blu.
last button I need, perhaps, Lee? Come on now. It is! All the buttons. Now where's the...
Lingan, guri guri
Okay, that made it super
guri.
easy after I turned up my monitor's brightness, because I straight up could not see anything. But where am I? Here's the door that opens. Oh my gosh, what the... Is this something I...
Gyerünk.
Obby? Oh my gosh.
Poing, 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 poing.
Like a seaweed type obby here. This is weird. This is still super tough, man. Pull a lantern out. This makes it a little easier. Oh my gosh. It's like your guy like slowly floats up, which is bizarre.
Story fulla.
George,
Léci.
no way. Come on now, we got this, guys.
Véleményén a szava. Jó, majdnem lestem.
What? We go over the top.
Befogom a szemet, és papusz.
That's it?
Mondok.
Don't get too happy yet. This guy. Yes! Extreme. That is what we wanted, good sirs. Oh my gosh. Brick sheep. Inside a house. Is there a brick house somewhere? Surely we didn't miss this brick sheep, right? Oh, wait a second. Oh my gosh, there's no shot. There's no way I missed this that many times. Oh my gosh. Embarrassing.
No.
There's not many left. Find a different cactus.
Oh.
I swear, all my life, it is this cactus that I did the whole time. Do I have to die to it? Oh my gosh.
No.
It kills me twice. Wow.
Emma.
I feel insulted. Caveman sheep hidden in the cave. Let's go to the cave now. Let's go back to the cave. Oh, we also have that other one we need to get. It was like the ruby.
Utálom ezt a
At
játékot.
least that's what it looks like. The bright
Ilyen
red
butákat
one.
csinál egy
Let's see the light.
ember.
Dude, I can't believe I missed so much. Oh, wait a minute. Is it this cave? It is. Nice. This is so sussy. Is this some... Can I use this to light the fire? That'd be great.
Pips.
Oh wait. Hold up.
Pips, pops.
What is this? Where am I supposed to go? What's that over here?
Pips,
What? Am I
pops,
supposed to be here?
pips.
What is this? Did I just jump down?
Pips, pops.
Okay. Hold up. That is definitely something. This
Leesett valaki.
Where to jump down? Let me just go down this platform. Let me just keep following this. I feel like I can...
Bla 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 bla.
What is that thing? There's just a little sheep sitting right there, but how'd you get up to him? What? I'm so confused. We have to go all the way around this side?
Csak Lőci, ne essél le. Amikor leesek,
This looks like it was designed
akkor
for me to
belépek a
cross it.
negyedik
Yeah, this is what I was
részébe.
looking at.
Véleményén
Secret
a
sheep
szava.
extreme.
No.
Wow, okay. Fake PNG sheep. Find the sheep to view its description. Behind something made of stone. Just gonna keep looking at all these stones that are in the forest. Surely this will be something. Now we already checked that out. It's gotta be like around this place somewhere, right? Oh, fake PNG. Nice.
Mindjárt
On
végén
to
leszek.
Fire sheep.
Ó, itt esek le mindig, ez a bajom.
Oh gosh.
Józik,
Here we go. Fire sheep.
Jóci, Jóci, nézika. Jóci, Jóci, nézika.
Oh wait, he's right here. No?
No.
Is this him? Yep. Lychee. Odd tree in the town.
Utálom ezt a
Amazing.
játékot.
Big tree right here. Outside
Jó.
the town. Don't see any-
A csapókat.
No.
Ja, a
Wait, there was a tree
csapókat
that
kell
was
csinálnom.
floating before.
Ilyen csapókat kell keresnem.
Floating tree, which was... Where is it? This one. This one's quite odd. Maybe I have to get on top of it. Let me use this...
Bla bla bla, blu blu blu. Léci, ne es le.
Down. This tree right here.
Buta játék.
What? I don't get it. I don't understand. It's right here. Actually, it's not that one. This tree does look a little saucy. Why is it darker? Or is this just the lighting? No, that's definitely darker than every other tree here. Yeah,
Most a
that's it.
csapókat
Next up,
keresem.
mummy, the pyramid. Yeah, I know it's in there, but how to get tutorial?
Ja, ez mellett is van.
This is it. It's down there. What do I do to get it? Wait, there's also this. I also can't use any of this. Can I use a shovel? I can't.
Végre
The
nagyok
shovel
is
doesn't work. That is the
vannak.
mummy. So what's this over here? Is this just troll?
Nem
I'm
á!
so confused. Navy. It is
Le akart csapni,
water.
amikor leestünk volna, akkor is akkor csapni is akart. Akkor te... Nem á. Ó, nem á. Hagyjatok már. Well, Mitchell, the sweets. Sahur. Sanya. Guess her birthday cake.
Let's see here. Table, sand.
Kettő. Yeah. Pam. 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 Yes.
This is the time to do it, right? Now that we know that there's something here.
Jó. Végre.
There's no way there's something surely. No, we already did this. I am stuck, please. I guess the river doesn't necessarily.
Hol kerültél?
This, not really.
Mi?
Wait, here we go. This is it. This has got to be it. There's no shot. This is.
Ó, szellemcsapó. Szellemcsapó.
We just gotta find a torch. Grab any of these torches.
Szellemcsapót találtam. Nem lehet visszaugrálni.
I asked someone in chat where the torch was, and this is what they told me. This is
Yes.
completely unrelated. They just stuffed the flint and steel in the corner. And guess what? I still haven't even found this yet. I haven't
Babes.
even begun to do
Egy
this.
szellem. Megnézzük, miért csinál ez.
Right? It is.
És ez?
Let me kill two birds with
Jobbat
one stone
csinál.
here. So it goes red, green, blue, orange,
Nyerünk.
pink, yellow. 3, 8, 1, 4, 9, 2. That should work. And since the code's different on other servers, you'll have to do that yourself. But that's how you solve it. Is houses, I assume. So it should be
Ez
correct.
le akart viccelni.
1, 4, 9, 2. Enter. That's it. Okay, open C, same. The brick guy, intense. Okay, now let's get this Minecraft portal. Can we just TP to
Babe.
the...
Rum.
What? Wait, we lost the thing.
Tup.
I just never grabbed it? I could have sworn I did. Oh, is it lit? Oh, let's see here. Light. It does work.
Ne adunk a
Minecraft,
fács.
what's up?
Én adok.
Sand sheet. Didn't we already find
1,
the sand
2,
sheet?
3,
This is in the
4, 5,
beach
6.
sand. No, this was definitely it. Or is that sandcastle sheet? Let's see. Like, down
1,
here?
2,
Perhaps it's in
3,
this sand. It
4.
said on the beach,
Eight.
though. So maybe it did the tripwire thing. It's on this sand over here.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
where is it? Wait, what? Oh, he's right there. Is there a coconut? Sheep.
Yep.
Just gotta make sure. Tables are usually
Dun, 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 dun.
I'll check each
Da
one
bu
of
bu
these
ba
houses.
na na dun 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 dun.
Oh, here it is. Germa. The Germa house. Temple. Inside a dungeon. Find a button in the pyramid to get there. There's no way. I've looked at this pyramid
Got to
ever. I guess there's a button in here. I just haven't
hot.
seen. Hey, where could it be? Oh my gosh, it's right here. Press. Look at these. There we go. There it is. Perfect. And there's more. What's down here? Oh, that's a trapdoor. Oh gosh. Okay, we have an obby here. I see a sheep down there though. I'm gonna grab
No.
this one first.
Jön valaki.
Black sheep? There's
Pups.
definitely more. There's no sheep in this area. Let's just
Leesett. Végre leesett egy nő tőlem.
Okay, that was a weird sound. We got this. Beware of spears. Thanks for the advice. How do they work? The thing is, can I stand on? I don't know. We'll just rush it.
Szevasz.
Actually, I'm gonna risk it. I can't stand on it. Okay, that's good.
Hogy került
jump. And I actually don't know what keep this could be. Gosh, I missed. Make this jump. Come on, make me proud. Boom! Wow.
Ezen a kis lukon, ezen amit nyomok, ezt utálom. Hát hogy estem le itt? Ezen a kis luk helyen.
No! I couldn't turn the side. Don't make any errors here.
Ne! Összes mindenki csapta. Ó. Egy embert lecsapok és kilépek.
Hint. Cheese. Wow. This is one where you have to... People are saying cheese in chat. Is that how you do it? That was so loud. Oh my gosh, that actually scared me. Are there any more chat ones? I wonder, man. I wonder. So I actually, unfortunately, think I know where the glowing sheep is. It's in that really unfortunate maze all the way down here. I think I should be able to get it this time. If I could even make my way down there.
Leradul a fa.
Find this thing.
What?
I don't remember where it was.
What? Okay.
Here we are. This is the room.
Fiúkat engedi amúgy, csak a lányokat nem. But... Bla 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 bla.
Swim around and get lost until we find something, man. This is it. Thank you. Oh my god. Okay, I have to check this one out. It is a pain.
Nem a... Nem. Ne. De ne csapjatok ilyen sokan te. Ó, ne csaptok. Hát ilyen sokat van sok csapóval. Hát mi a bajom?
There we go. That wasn't actually that bad. Man, stats,
Ew.
like, we have to get the whole server in on this.
Oh.
Unfortunately.
Azt nem lesz jó.
There's people over here. Oh, no, it's just the side.
Leradul a fa.
Come on.
Leradul a fa. Ne.
Jump right here.
Nem. Nem a... Azt tudod.
Come on, just stack on my head. Stack on my head right here. Here you go. This should help him. Come on, we're a team, dude.
Nem. Ne. Ketten lecsaptatok.
Jump on my head.
Egy, kettő. Így csináltam.
I don't know if you guys can be.
Hát mi?
Thanks for the.
Az a hülye néni csapott le a bácsihoz és lecsapott. És ráment erre a izére.
Easy jump there.
Mi ilyen
Where the
hülye?
sheep is weird. It's right here actually.
Egy, kettő, nem, ha.
There it is. That was intense. apparently.
Nem,
Look at TV.
nem. Te csaj. Te vagy a legbutább csaj a egész tű.
Right?
Paki!
This
Ho!
television.
Ho!
Great tutorial.
Nem.
Let's see here. How do we do this? We need like an object. There must be something in this room.
Ne léci.
Here? No.
Nem tudok sehova sem menni.
What's this?
Csak kört kell mennem.
Oh. Now what do I do? Do I type this in chat? This must mean something.
Sa-
Put this in a binary generator. So it came out to this.
Papus. Papus, 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 papus. Yes. Baby.
This means we have one sheep left. We have 99. It is time. It is time to go to space and complete this obby once and for all. Don't tell me I need a key.
Nem.
At least we know where it's at. Oh wait, no, we can just teleport. Yeah, no, what am I doing? I'm such a dope. Okay. Oh my gosh. This
Hey.
is an absolute pain. At least I know what's coming up.
And-
I've trained for this moment, guys. Don't you worry.
Leradul a
Locking in.
fa.
The respawn already? First try. That's how you know I'm locked in, guys. I'm not messing around this time. Oh.
Látod? Itt volt egy kis luk.
Can't win 'em all. A lot of
Mi a kis lukok
There's only me and some other guy
engednek
left.
elő? Mi a kis izék? Ezek a kis bolondok.
Quite literally just
Kis
pray.
izék csinálnak velem ilyet.
Perfect.
Paps.
I guess don't touch
They don't do
anything,
the
so that's-
fuck.
yeah,
Woohoo!
it's all right.
Yes!
Still don't understand the shout thing. Well, I don't know. Whatever. No,
Majdnem leestem, kész.
Hopefully they
És
fix
már lett egy ilyen box.
blocking. Can I just jump around this? I can. Let's just do that. This way, and another respawn point. Oh gosh, don't mess this up. Respawn. There we go.
No.
Make sure I really got it. I just got cover all spots of this. Okay, I think I definitely got it there. This looks low-keyly easier than what I was doing before. Not gonna lie.
Woo-woo.
Choose what? What's this one? Nice and easy, right? And we missed it. I didn't want to hit my head. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay.
Vida do the fan.
This one. Then what do we do after this? Up and over? Yep. Then what? Wait, what? Wait patiently. Here it is. Don't mess this up. Nice.
I thought they could.
We have to go down this way, I guess? Bro, what?
Oh,
I
bro.
assume that we don't
Harum,
want
harum,
to
harum,
touch
harum.
any of these purple things, because that will make us jump, right? We'll block it in. That's kind of
Let me airport jump. Oh.
good here. This works out perfectly fine. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. That.
Táncok.
It doesn't help that the entire server is here now. You got it?
I got it. I'm ready. No, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. This fucking shit.
No checkpoint. This is brutal.
Mindjárt nem érdekel. Belépek mindjárt a hatodik részébe, mikor megint meghalok.
No, I'll take my sweet time doing this. I don't care how long this takes, bro. There's no checkpoint.
Bro. Ó. Ó, még kis golyókat is át kell ugrálnom, az nem lesz jó. Ez nem jó. Jó van. Hatodik rész.
We got this. Press space bar here. This is a crazy long jump. One more? Okay. Wait,
Ó, mindenhol lesek.
what does it say? 6, 3, 6, 8?
Ez a legújabb rész.
6 times 8. 6, 4? No way, this is right. Incorrect, you liar. 184? No way. I don't know how that works. But there are
Amikor
numbers.
még...
I see them. There's like
Ezt
a
tudod
number
mi
there.
az?
Oh my
Ezt a játékot meg kell lájkolnod
It
és
is
be
the
tudsz jönni
final
ide,
sheet, the
és így
interstellar
csináljátok,
sheet.
létszi.
Grab it. We did it. We found every single sheep. I can't believe it. We did it. Let's equip the final sheep here. Insane. Look at him. He's so devious. He's so epic. Oh, guys, smash like, smash subscribe.
Már ismerősök rutinizált. Most nézd meg, mit kell elmenni. Tágasabb patrulnékban család minden tagja ott van az inget, a legkisebb töltött az időt. Várok, hogy teljes kutatások. Lakódzik, panorámességei, és csendes
Ó, ide estem, ahol teleportálunk.
Fejleszd el oldalunkat, tervezz előre, és válaszd a nyaralást, ami valóban lesz.
Mindjárt belépek a hetedik részébe.
Is that what I think it is? It's a can! Oh my gosh!
Én nem akarok hallgatni ilyen bácsis videókat, hogy ott elállítom, hogy ne hagyjátok, gyerekek, felnőttek. Tudod, hány évesek nézhetik ezt a videót? Csak 6 éves. Csak 6 évesig lehet nézni. Csak 6 éves nézheti ezt. Meg 7 is. 6-tól 10-ig nézhetik. És én csak 7 éves vagyok. Szia! Szia, baby! Szia, baby! Hello, guys! Én Super Bunny vagyok, izdik. Véleménycsi. Lájkol. Szétromtom ezt a játékot. Mindig leesik az összes ember, meg én is. Utálom a esést. Yeah. Igen, nem érdekel, akkor elcsaplak. Will I meet you in the summer? Jó! Volt 2x-es vár is. 2x-es. Oh shit. Not good. Hi. Fireman. Yes. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh my goodness. Az nagyon nehéz. Pips. Yes. Tips. Who let the dog down? Who? Bam. Dat is még. Ha? Jó van. Yeah. Kelj Fúj. De miért teleportál vissza? Jó. Ez a 1. része. Hold me, digging. Hamburger. Ó, 31. Világgyors vagyok, és tudok lebegni. Nyilv. Én ilyen vagyok, mint a Sonic. Wow. Help me, digging. Beep. Ez a játék. Help me, digging. Szahur. Tusztávela! Meow. Red light. Ó, 31 voltam. De... Free. Ha! Én világgyors vagyok. Én vagyok a világ gyorsabb embere, akit mondják, hogy Super Benny. Megfog! Meghaltam. Nem baj, én is tudok gyorsan menni. Baby's watching me. Hi, baby. Ez a legnehezebb rész, ahol mindig lástam. Haha. Hey, mom. Sorry, baby. Hi, baby. Szia. Baby. Yeah. Take me. Ew. Wow! De sok pénzem van. Tudod, hány pénzem van? Mennyit játszottam ebben a játékkal? Tudod mennyit? Hát sokat. Yeah. Oh. Opa. Nem fogsz lecsapni. Hát biztos. Nem tudsz lecsapni, én gyors vagyok, világgyors vagyok, mint a Sonic. Én a Sonictól is gyorsabb vagyok, és most én vagyok a legjobb. De nem sok életem van. No. Én a széndán, én a széndán, no a széndán. Paps. Cukorlukolak, vagyok, jó. Paps, szétja. Megpróbálok. Így repülni és fölmenni így. Gyerünk. Nem csap le senki. Megértitek? Hogy nem csap le ez a farkasos. Ő 13-os. Most mi a bajom van, hogy leestem most, és meghaltam? Figyeljük. Hát, rajzom bejnözene, jönnek kollégi biztos pécsol. Easy. 1, 2, 3. Jön valaki. Szahor. Hú, meg vagy. Valaki 14-es, meg 15-ös tőlem. Nem tudom. Pa! Busters! Pap! Lelölök valakit, akit akarok. Megkörnézem valamit a kamerán. Yeah, boy! Wow! Mindjárt fönt leszek. $24.51, igen. Eddig 23... Eddig még 23 izé volt. Hot me, tegeri. Tudok csalni. Tudok csalni. Oh gosh, I no love this game. Én szeretem ezt a játékot. Oh, sorry guys, én szeretem ezt a játékot. Nem érdekel. Nem. Bim bap boom 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 bap pew. Bim bap boom 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 bap pew. Bim bam boom 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 bap pew. Bim bap boom 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 pew. Bim bap boom. Bim bap boom 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 bap pew. Yes! Hey, van egy barátom, akit úgy hívnak, hogy Bence. És ő nagyon jó velem játszna, és nagyon jó játszik velem, és nagyon jó. Vicceskedtünk a óvodába, most iskolába leszünk most ma, mert most kész vagyok a óvodába, és végeztem, és most iskolás leszek. És most attól nyár van, és megyek. Most nyár van, és tudok pihenni, meg medencézni, meg ilyenek. Dele. You my friend now. You my friend now. You my friend now. No. Mi ezek kicsi golyók? Mi ezek kicsi darabok? Yes! Már 2-ször leesek, meg 100-szor is. Please, csinálni. De mi teleportálnak ők is. Yes. Így jött. Lep. Pipis. amikor lájkolják a videót, akkor szeretni foglak titeket. Amikor nem lájkoljátok, akkor majd én apukám megvár titeket. És megseggezlek tégedet. És akkor, amikor jó volt a videó, akkor lájkoljátok, és csináljatok kommentbe. Nyilatkozzatok föl, srácok, és most vége lesz a videónak. Akkor sziasztok!